Hi, everyone. So today we're going to learn how to record two duet parts to put together. The first thing you need to do is be sure that you can download GarageBand. So what you're going to do is go into your Spotlight and get self-service. This is on your computer, but you still have to download it. Okay. If you already have it, you can skip this part, but this is the part you need to do first. So you go into self-service and you're going to search. Up in the top bar, you're going to search for GarageBand. Okay. So you'll notice pop open. Now mine has already been opened, so you don't need it. So I don't need to do anything, but you'll need to download it if you don't have it yet. Okay. And they say it might take a little bit of time, so it helps to have it plugged in and make sure that you have it opened, downloaded. Okay. So once you have it downloaded, if you haven't done that, then stop the video here and go ahead and do that before you continue on. Okay, so once you have it downloaded, you'll definitely want to go to GarageBand in Spotlight right here, and then click to go on there. Okay. When you open it up, you'll see this choose a project, and we want a new project. Okay. So we want empty project. Okay, so I'm going to double click that. And I want to choose a microphone because I'm going to use my microphone. Okay. So I like to get rid of these things here. All I really care about is this right here, and you'll notice it's registering my voice. So what I'm going to do is put it down a little bit just so it's not too loud. I like to put it about there for the trumpet at least. I'm going to be recording Jingle Bells today, and I want to do it about 105 beats a minute. So I'm going to go like that. And I changed my tempo there because there's going to be a metronome on this. If you decide you want a different tempo, then you should just click on that and change the tempo for yourself, okay? It's going to give me 4 clicks of lead in. Notice that it's registering right here. So I'm going to hear click, 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 and then I'm going to play just the first 8 measures of Jingle Bells, okay? Now I can just casually stop it. Okay, I'll go back and listen. And it sounds fine. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is cut it. And I want to stop it right there. So what I'm going to do is go up to this, where was it? Edit. Track. No, I forget where that is. Split regions at Playhead. So I want to split it. And you'll see it turns it into 2 different boxes. Okay. I'm now going to click this last one. So it just ends at the right time. Okay. I know I like it because I've listened to it. If you don't like it, you just click on it and delete it and get rid of it and do it again. For me, I'm going to keep it. Okay. Now I'm going to mute this track. You'll notice it's no longer recognizing this here. And I'm going to go up here to a new track, this plus button. Okay. And I'm going to do another one. This is going to be my second part. Again, I'm going to get rid of these 2 little things. So now I'm going to put this back down to the volume I had before and click here. I'm going to do this exact same thing. I'm still at 105 beats a minute. It's going to give me 4 click offs, and I'm going to play it. Hopefully I remember the duet part. Then I can stop it, and I'll go back and listen. I stopped it right there. And again, I'm going to do this edit, split regions at Playhead. And that just allows me to click on either one of these. And I'm going to get rid of that by deleting. Now I'm going to listen to them together. But notice I have to put this one back on. So they're both on right now. Okay, you can see that they're both on. So I'm going to press play. And it's done. Okay, so once it's done, now we need to create a file. So I'm going to go up to share, And I like to export the song to disk. By disk, it means to your computer. Okay, I'm going to title it, or whatever song you're doing. I'll put it to my desktop to make it easy to find. And then I like to do to MP3. I honestly don't know what it's like to put the highest quality or change. It automatically goes to high quality and it works for me. Yours might start on AAC, but we want it to be an MP3. Okay, export. Yes. Yes. It's because I've already done it once. Okay, so now you'll see my file right here. And if I click on it, there it is. Okay, so last but not least, you're going to go to Google Classroom and you're going to attach that file to your Google Classroom. Okay, and that's how you're going to do the whole assignment. Hopefully this helps. Please ask if you guys have questions.